Hey there! Wondering how to make 2026 your most financially organized year yet? Today we'll break down exactly how to plan your financial year in Nigeria, step by step. Don't worry. No jargon, just simple tips you can use starting today. Step 1. Review 2025. Before planning, see what worked and what didn't. Track your income, expenses, and savings. Understanding your past is key to better decisions this year. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Do you want to save 500,000 Naira? Invest in stocks? Start a side hustle? Write it down and make it specific. Step 3. Budget smartly. Know how much comes in and goes out each month. Allocate for essentials, savings, investments, and even small treats. Step 4. Build an emergency fund. Life in Nigeria is unpredictable. Medical bills, repairs, or travel emergencies can pop up. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Step 5. Plan for investments. Nigeria offers stocks, mutual funds, bonds, and real estate. Diversify based on what you can manage and understand. Step 6. Monitor monthly. Set reminders, track your progress, adjust as needed. Staying on top of your finances is easier when you check regularly. Step 7. Reduce debt smartly. Prioritize high-interest loans first. Consider consolidating or renegotiating rates if possible. Step 8. Protect yourself with insurance. Health, life, and business insurance can save you big in emergencies. Think of it as a safety net for your goals. And that's it. Review last year, set goals, budget, save, invest, monitor, reduce debt, and protect yourself. Follow these steps and 2026 could be your smartest financial year yet in Nigeria. Start today. If you're new to investing and want beginner-friendly Nigerian investment guides, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming videos.